Very good. You heard my first cut of chops. However, and Karen, please forgive me because I'm not meaning to attack you at all, but I would like to take some of those points and simply note that much of the solutions we look for, you know, more funding for pre-kindergarten education, or a discussion we had here earlier, more funding for mental health services, tax credits for families for childcare, more funding for the homeless issue was discussed a bit. All of those things take more dollars that compete with well, let's have more funding for childcare. I admit the tax credits address that directly as well. The dilemma we have is we just cannot fund it all with government programs. And the real answer lies in two things. One, good jobs and a decent, affordable standard or cost of living. I agree. In most households today, mom and dad both work. But you know, if you look at their income, one of them is simply paying the tax bill. You may say, oh no, that couldn't happen for a lower middle income or a low income family. No, it's true. If you bundle up all of their taxes, and we put some taxes in place that are regressive. I mentioned the car tax. You know, it's called a fee, but it's a tax, and it's a heavy tax. I've had constituents call me and say, I cannot afford to license my car. I have to ride my bike to work now, but of course you're penalizing me an extra $25 a month for every month I cannot license my car. Things like that really do press families into the ground. That's a huge reason why I am such an advocate for lowering the tax burden. Not just saying, oh, they can pay a little bit more. No, they can't. The reality is that we've built this new reality that Karen did speak of, and I agree, you know, that it does exist. That mom and dad have to work most of the time. And it's because one of them cannot go get a good enough job to support everything that's there. We're not helping. We need better policies that encourage good, healthy business, that give good jobs, that allow people to support themselves in a more adequate fashion. Thank you.
Mr. Bell?